Namaskar, my friends. Welcome back to Harness Engineering. Last time we learned the big shock: code is free, humans steer and agents execute. But that leaves a sharp question hanging in the air. If code is free, what is expensive now? Today, the 3 new precious resources. Chalo. Quick recap. Implementation became cheap and instant, and your role moved to steering. But economics never leaves a vacuum. When the old bottleneck vanishes, a new one quietly takes its place. So we must ask, honestly, where is the cost hiding now? There are 3. Human time, human and model attention, and the context window. Guard these 3 like gold, because every one of them is now more expensive than the code itself. Let us take them one by one. Scarce thing number 1, your own time. Here is a humbling fact. A single developer can genuinely steer maybe 3 agent tasks at once. Push to a 4th or 5th and you do not get more output, you get thrashing, like trying to watch 3 cricket matches and answer your mother-in-law at the same time. And the real thief of your time is synchronous attention. Any moment where the agent must stop and wait for you, a confirmation, a clarification, stalls the whole line, like a dabbawala frozen on the platform waiting for one signature. Find those waits and design them out. Instead, fork the work and let agents run asynchronously. They labor away in the background, and the pull requests land when they are ready. You then review on your clock, not theirs. Concretely kick off 3 branches before chai, read the diffs after. That is how 3 tasks actually fit. Scarce thing number 2, attention itself, both yours and the model's. Picture a pie that always adds up to 1. Pile 5 conflicting requirements onto a single agent and each goal gets a thinner slice. The model, like a tired student, ends up doing all of them badly. So do not thrash one agent with make it fast, no make it tiny, actually rewrite it. That is how you confuse it. Instead fork. 1 run for the fast version, 1 for the tiny version, 1 for the rewrite. Accept multiple exploratory pull requests, then calmly pick the winner. Scarce thing number 3, the context window. Yes, the windows keep growing, and yes, there is auto-compaction. But it is still finite, and it fills fast your docs, the code, the chat history, the noisy tool output. Treat it like a small tiffin box, not an infinite warehouse. Worse, midrun that context gets obliterated and rebuilt. Compaction squeezes it into a lossy summary, then expands again and precious details quietly fall out. The agent forgets the one constraint you mentioned 20 minutes ago. Annoying but predictable. The fix is to structure context outside the window and resurface it just in time. Keep an AGENTS.md, runbooks, design notes in the repo, and feed the right slice back at the right moment. Do not pray the model remembers, hand it the note again when it needs it. Put it together and you have a lever. Spend your scarce human time, attention, and context wisely, and the agents return enormous throughput. Mismanage them, and all that free code just piles up as confusion. The whole game is protecting these 3. So let us tie the thread, the way your old school master always does. 1. Your time is scarce. You steer about 3 tasks at once, so kill synchronous attention and let agents run async, reviewing on your own clock. 2. Attention sums to 1. Do not thrash a single agent with conflicting demands. Fork the work into parallel runs and pick the best result. 3. The context window is finite and gets obliterated and rebuilt. Store knowledge outside it and resurface the right piece just in time. Next time, we go inside a single agent run, end to end, its 3 phases, and how context must arrive just in time at each one. That is where steering becomes an art. Learn it properly with us at AI Academy, link below, first lessons free. Till then, guard your 3 resources. Chalo! AI Academy. By Concept Good.